Baby, baby, fall in love again. Baby, baby, fall in love again. I could never see what fate had planned for me, and then you came and made my dreams match reality. Maybe you can't see all the things you've made for me. My simple fate is at the gate, and girl, you got the key. Baby, 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 I'm falling in love again. Baby, baby, fall in love again. Baby, baby, fall in love again. Baby, baby, fall in love, I'm falling in love again. Well, hi there, pluckers. I've saw things again with you with hopefully another interesting oldie lesson for you from a band called Hamilton, Joe Frank and Reynolds, which goes back to 1975, and a song called Fallin' in Love. Okay, I'm doing it in the same key as the original version. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, but I have a capo on fret 1, first fret for the capo. This puts us into the same key as the original version. Okay, so what I did there was basically the intro goes straight into a chorus, intro, chorus, a couple of verses, and then goes into the chorus again, and basically the song then just repeats itself over and over again a couple of times. Okay, and finishes with a couple of choruses, one after the other. Okay, which I did there. So let's get to it. So it's a fairly orchestrated record, so the intro I tried to make it sort of flavour of the song. So I'm playing a C major 7th. I'll show you how I'm playing this in a second. There's two options for this one. Okay, so I'm doing a quick strum. It's a fairly slow song. Okay, so it's I just sort of quick strum like on C major 7th, and then I'm doing an up sort of arpeggiate like that, just a slow rake up the strings from the top string upwards. Okay, so it's that sort of thing. Then we go to a B minor 7th, 2nd fret from the capo minor shape, but pinky off. Okay, and you do the same with that, a quick strum and then an up arpeggiate. And then we go to an A minor 7th, A minor without the 3rd finger, open 3rd string, same thing again, quick strum and an up arpeggiate. And then you just strum it for another bar. Okay, so it's twice as long on the A minor 7th, so it's then we're going into the chorus, straight into the chorus. Okay, and the chorus is the same chords but strummed all the way through. The nuns don't have to do the arpeggiate upwards. Okay, so after you've done the chorus, let's do it again from the beginning. We'll do one lot of the intro, and then we're straight into the chorus, and it's 2 lots of the same thing again: C major 7th, B minor 7th, and A minor 7th. Okay, so here we go. So let's do it again. Sorry. Chorus. Baby, baby, fall in love again. And again. Baby, baby, fall in love again. Okay, and then we're going into the verse. Now, the option on the C major 7th, what I was doing for the way I was playing it there, was a bar chord version, okay, of C major 7th, and what I'm doing is I'm barring the 3rd fret from the capo with my first finger. Second finger is going to the 4th fret from the capo on the 3rd string. Third finger is going to the 5th fret from the capo on the 4th string, D string, and pinky is going to the 5th fret from the capo on the 2nd string. Should sound like that. If it sounds like that, that's it. Okay, so that's the way I'm playing it. But the simple way of playing C major 7th is just to play a C chord without the 1st finger. Okay, play it like that, or so you can hit all 6 strings. You could put make a C, like a C with G in the bass shape, so it's a C chord with the 3rd finger up to the 3rd fret on the bottom E string from the capo, 3rd fret from the capo, bottom E string, and your pinky goes to the 3rd fret from the capo on the 5th string, the A string, and then take your 1st finger off and you've got C major 7th with the G in the bass. This is quite a nice chord. Okay. So you can either play the C major 7th like that, or like that, or a simpler version like that. 5 down to 1 with that shape. Okay. So that's simpler ways. Sorry, wrong chord. Here we go. Here we go. Baby, baby, fall in love again. Okay, so it's that version, or a more G in the bass version of C major 7th this way. Baby, baby, fall in love again. Get the idea, yeah? One more time. Baby, baby, fall in love again. Okay, whichever version's easier for you or you like the sound of. Then we're going into the verse, and the verse starts off with the back to the B minor 7th. I could never see is E minor 7th. Very simple. All I'm doing is fretting the 2nd fret from the capo on the A string, the 5th string, with my 2nd finger. All 6 strings, E minor 7th. So it's B minor 7th to E minor 7th, B minor 7th to E minor 7th. Do that's twice. Okay, so it's I could never see what fate had planned for me. Then we go to A minor 7th, and then you came, made my dreams. And then a very simple chord. All you do from the A minor 7th is take off your 2nd finger. Just leave the 1st finger on the 1st fret from the capo on the 2nd string, the B string. Just leave that finger where it was from the A minor 7th. 5 down to 1. It's a chord called, it's got several names, but I'm going to call it D9 sus4 over A. It's the A in the bass, okay? So it's just a very A minor 7th without that 2nd finger. It's easy, okay? So the whole verse is I could never see what fate had planned for me, and then you came and made my dreams a match reality. Maybe, again, 2nd verse exactly the same. Maybe you can't see all the things you meant for me, but simple fate is at the gate, and girl, you got the key. Now on the 2nd time round, on the 2nd verse, when you get to that D9th sus4 with A in the bass, you do it twice as long. Okay, so 2nd time, the 2nd verse is maybe you can't see all the things you meant for me, my simple fate is at the gate, and girl, you got the key. And then we're into the chorus again, which is the C major 7th, B minor 7th and A minor 7th. Baby, baby, fall in love again. Repeat. Baby, baby, fall in love again. And we're going into another couple of verses, okay? It seems like yesterday, and so on. Exactly the same to play as the previous couple of verses. Okay, so basically the song after that just repeats more verses and choruses, so you've got everything you need. At the end of the song, the chorus is repeated several times. I think it fades out actually repeating the chorus. So to resolve the song actually would, believe it or not, although we haven't played it yet, is in G. The key of the song is actually in G. Okay, so you finish on a G. Okay, that's what I did anyway. So you repeat the choruses at the end of the song. So go, baby, baby, fall in love again. Baby, baby, fall in love again. Last time. Baby, baby, fall in love again. Slow down. Finish on a G chord. I know it seems strange, but that's the way it is. It's in the key of G, this song. Anyway, so there you have it. Now the only other thing I can show you that's in the song in the background, but played on a piano, is when you come out of the second verse, so to speak. You come out of the second verse and it leads into the chorus. So I'll do the second verse for you again. Okay, so it goes, let's do the first two verses. Okay, so come out the first chorus after the intro, do the first chorus, and let's do the whole thing. Okay, let's do the whole thing. Baby, baby, fall in love again. Baby, baby, fall in love, I'm falling in love again. I could never see what fate had planned for me, and then you came and made my dreams a match reality. Maybe you can't see all the things you meant to me. My simple fate is at the gate. Girl, you got the key. Baby, baby, fall in love. It's just that little lead up to the chorus. Okay, it's actually played on a piano. So instead of, the idea is you can either play that chord just twice as long, where it comes out of that last line and goes, where is it? Simple fate is at the gate, and girl, you got the key. Twice as long into the chorus, baby, baby. But what I was doing there was it comes out of that key where it goes, simple fate is at the gate. Girl, you got the key. That bit, and then into the chorus. Okay. If you want to play that little run up, so you do one bar of that D9 sus4 over A, which goes. Let's do it from again. From simple fate is at the gate, and girl, you got the key. And then for the second bar, instead of just playing the chord, you can go. Okay. And then into the baby, baby bit, okay? So what I'm doing there is I'm doing the fourth string and the third string open together. Okay, fourth string, D string and the G string together, just once, a double stop. This is all double stops, okay? Then I play the second fret on the fourth string, and along with the open G string, play that twice. So it's, okay? Then I'm moving up to the fourth fret from the capo on the fourth string with my third finger, and the second fret from the capo on the third string. Okay, double stop, fourth string and third string there, fourth fret of the fourth string, second fret of the third string, two hits again. So now you've got, okay. And then I play the open third string and the open second string together. Okay, another twice. Okay, so first one's only once. Okay, and then the final one is just one on its own. It's the first fret of the second string together with the second on the third. So it's just those two, just once this time, and then you're into the C major 7th chorus bit. Okay. So that second verse is maybe you can't see all the things you've meant to me. My simple fate is at the gate. Girl, you got the key. Baby, baby, I'm falling in love again. And there you have it, boys and girls. Everything else is just more of the same. Okay. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.